In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur a shape in Canva. We'll start right inside the Canva editor with your video or design already open. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Look for the tab labeled Elements and click on it. Once you're in Elements, scroll until you find Shapes. Here, you can pick any shape you'd like to blur later, such as a rectangle, circle, or any other option that fits your design. Click on your chosen shape to add it to the canvas. Then adjust it to match your design. Resize it by dragging the corners, change the color using the color picker at the top, and position it where you want it to appear. Take a moment to get it looking exactly how you like, because this is the version we're going to blur. Now, go to the top right corner of Canva and click on the Share button. From the drop-down menu, select Download. A settings window will appear. Set the file type to PNG and make sure you check the box that says Transparent Background. This is important so that only the shape, not the background, is included. Once those settings are correct, click Download and wait for Canva to finish preparing and downloading the file to your computer. After the download is complete, we're going to bring that shape back into Canva as an image. On the left panel again, click on Uploads. In the Upload section, click the button that says Upload Files. Your computer's file browser will open. Navigate to the PNG file you just downloaded, select it, and confirm. Canva will begin uploading the file. Wait until you see it appear in your Uploads library. Once the upload is done, you can delete the original shape from your canvas, since we'll now be using the uploaded version. Click on the newly uploaded shape in the Uploads panel to add it to your design. With this image selected on the canvas, look at the toolbar at the top and click Edit. On the left panel, under the editing options, find the section labeled Tools and click See All. From the tools that appear, choose Blur. Here you have two main options. You can use the brush mode, where you manually paint over the parts of the shape you want to blur, adjusting brush size and intensity for more control. Or you can select Whole Image and simply increase the intensity slider to blur the entire shape evenly. Once you're happy with how it looks, you're done. That's how to blur a shape in Canva.